Alright, let's play some dominoes. Alright, the game where you play with someone against two others and you're always trying to figure out what everyone has. This time with a better engine. Let's see. Alright, starts with the 6. I have 4 2s. I'm definitely going to start with the 2s. And if this was a real person, I have to let it know that I have another 6 by pausing for a moment. So my guy hits my 2. So no, I'm going to hit the 5 and give him my 2. Alright, now let's see. So which 2 is out there? The 2 3. No one has had a chance to do anything about it. Now this 6 was forced because it's the first one. So I don't know who has the blanks. So I'm gonna go with a 6. All right. I'm gonna lay here. Now, even though my guy doesn't have a 4, I'm gonna leave the 1 so that. Okay, wait a second. Oh no, wait a second. My guy doesn't have the. Yeah, no. Either way, so my guy doesn't have the 3 2 because he would have played it here, I guess. So let's hit this one. I pass. Let's see. My guy is still the hand. Yeah, my guy didn't have it. It was over here. Good game. The computer is playing very well. This engine is working. All right, my turn. I'm gonna start with the highest double that I have another. On this one, I could repeat the 6, but I think I would rather lay on the 4 because this is the last one. Okay, so I could put it to 5, or I could lay. I think I want to put it to. I think I want to put it to 5. It tells my guy that I like the 5s, and it gives the option of giving the 6. Pass 6, and now I lay here. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the 6. Yes. So I can give, let's see, 5. Yeah, no, I'm gonna give a 5 blank. If the left has it, I get the blank. Perfect. Let's see. Yeah, this one it didn't have any blanks. So again, the computer is playing very well. We're at 30. We're almost there. We're playing to 100. Okay, the 6, the 2. I'm gonna kill the 6, and let's kill it with the 3. It's the one I have the most. My guy puts it to 2. That's good. I could give the 3 or simply lay here. I think I want to give the 3 to try to pass this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. Okay, that didn't happen. So let's see. No, I'm gonna continue. And now I'm gonna lay on that double blank. Only one to go. Interesting. My guy had a 4. Huh. Interesting. I need to review that in that one. There was something odd about my guy having 4s. Okay. Starts with the 5. Let's kill it with a 6. Okay, so this one is easy. I'm gonna put it to 4. I pass. It's okay. My guy is the hand. Perfect. So my guy doesn't like the 6s. So the problem with laying here is that it opens up a whole bunch of possibilities for this guy to pass my guy. So I think I would rather hit it. Now the question is, do I want to hit it with the blank or the 2? I think I want to hit it with the 2. Okay, and I have 1. Let's go. All right. I only have 1. It killed my my 6, and then it won. Yeah, double 1. That was a tough one. 3 dead doubles. All right. Let's see. We can get the next one. Now it's the left turns. All right, the 4. Do I want to give in the 3 or the 6? I want to start with the 6. Let's see. Yeah, this guy has the double 6. That's fine. No, I'm going to put it to 2. My guy's number. Now, I think I'm thinking of leaving the 3 because I have the 4, and then but it's kind of the same because this guy the 4 can enter either way. So let's go with the 5. Yeah, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the 5. Let's see, I have 1. Ouch. All right, we only have 1. 5, 6. All right. Interesting. All right. That was a good 4 for my guy to put. Let's see. So let's start with the 4. This is a bad hand. I don't have any 6s. I have a bunch of doubles. So let's kill mine. Yeah, and my guy doesn't know that I don't have any more 4s. All right, I'm gonna assume that my guy has in the last 4, so this is his. Now I'm gonna repeat the 2. All right, they have the 1s, and I have to kill the last one, and let's go. That was the last 5, and the only 5 that he has, and 100. Perfect. That was a clean win. All right, let's see what our rank is against the computer. All in all, I think the computer is playing very well. I'm very happy with the engine. All right, 834. All right, I'll see you in the next.